So I recently got my highest YouTube payout, and I'm going to be sharing some of the details with you. If you are a new YouTuber, you're just starting your YouTube channel, or you've been here for a while and your YouTube is struggling, this tutorial or this video, which is going to be very short by the way, is going to be very helpful for you. So I recently got admitted into the YouTube Partnership Program or the AdSense program, and I'm going to be letting you in on some secrets that are going to be very helpful to you. Now, the actual amount that I got paid in my first month of monetization is not a figure I'm very proud of. So there is no way I'm going to be mentioning it here, but the build up has been really interesting. The figures are building up and I'm really excited about the future of this channel. Now, in as much as my first earning is not something to be really proud of, but I've been making money from this channel right from inception. And how that has been possible are some of the lessons I want you to take away in this tutorial. So you want to ensure that you stick until the end so that you won't miss out on anything I'm going to be sharing. Now, the YouTube Partnership Program or the YouTube AdSense program is one that a lot of YouTubers often look forward to. But the truth is that it is not even the only way to make money on YouTube. Now, to qualify for the YouTube Partnership Program, you would need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within 1 year. And once you reach that mark, YouTube will start placing ads from its advertisers on your YouTube videos and you start earning from ad revenue. While this is a very rewarding way to make money on YouTube, it is actually not the only way, just like I mentioned earlier. You can actually start making money on your channel right from the beginning by sharing very helpful and valuable information. For instance, on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, how to use tools and platforms, how to solve Facebook ad payment problems, and a whole lot of helpful information. And whenever I discuss any of these subject matter, I always find a way to tie it to my services or products like my online courses. And I get people who reach out to me on the platform that I have indicated, seeking for me to offer these services or to buy the products that I've talked about. This is one very profitable way to make money on YouTube. While this has been rewarding me for years, it is still rewarding me even today. I get a lot of clients and customers from YouTube. So if you're out there and you're building a brand, YouTube can actually serve as a platform where you build authority, credibility, trust, and loyal customers. But you want to ensure that your content are always solving problems in your niche, they are helpful, and they are valuable. And you want to also ensure that you are strategically tying it back to your product and your service. And that is what we call subtle marketing. I personally know a lot of people, even in real estate, who are making a fortune from their YouTube channel, not even from the YouTube monetization or partnership program. Another way that you can actually make a fortune on YouTube is through partnership and collaboration from brands. And this was in fact one of the ways that I got my highest payout on YouTube recently. This can actually be something very rewarding. Before you can get to that point where brands start to find your platform on YouTube worthy to place ads for visibility and recognition for their brand, you must have been building on YouTube consistently. So once you start getting considerable number of views and subscriber counts, brands will start reaching out to you for brand deals and collaborations. So they will either reach out to you by your email or other channels that you have indicated. So when they reach out to you via email, you get to talk about the terms of agreement. And once those terms are favorable, you now go on to create the content and get your pay. But for this, you also have to make sure that you're very careful because there are some brands out there that are not transparent. And some of them are just out there with ulterior motives. So you have to be very, very careful. And you also need to be careful the type of brands that you work with because there may be some of them out there that their products or services may eventually turn out to hurt the brands that you're building. So you want to do your due diligence before you work with any brand, irrespective of how much they are offering to pay you. Now let me share something quickly around this brand collaboration that I got that gave me my highest payout. The email that they sent was actually sitting pretty in my spam folder. And I don't know what led me to my spam folder on that day, but I was just going through my email and somebody told me to check my spam folder. And I did, and I saw their email. All right. And, I didn't really take it seriously. So I had to tell the person who sent it that they should send it to my inbox because their email had dropped from my spam. Because for it to drop from my spam, I just felt that they were not really serious. It wasn't something serious, all right? I went on to tell them my rate. They sent back to me and said no, they were not going to work with that. It was really a lot of back and forth, but at the end of the day, it actually turned out good and I was happy. So the story I also want to bring up from this is you shouldn't neglect your spam folder. So even though this is funny, but it is actually true. There are some valuable emails that may actually land on your spam folder. So you want to ensure that, while you're putting yourself out there, make sure that you're checking all available channels that people are likely to reach you on, all right, so that you don't miss out on opportunities. This is very important. So I've mentioned 3 ways you can actually make money on YouTube if you've been listening to me. So there is the YouTube partnership program, there is the sale of your products or services through the valuable content you're sharing, and there is also brand collaboration and partnership. But then one of the things that can actually get you to that point where you're, enjoying the fruits of your labor, as it were, from YouTube is your consistency. You want to ensure that you're really very consistent with what you're doing. The truth is that there are some days when you won't be motivated to create content, but you can build a structure that allows you to stay consistent. And one of the things you can actually do is to get someone that you are accountable to. Get an accountability partner. That person can be your friend, could be your colleague, could be your sibling, somebody you just tell, okay, I'm going to be creating XYZ number of videos, every week. And if I don't get to create that number of videos, this is what you're going to do to me. Maybe I'm going to be paying you a certain amount of money, all right? So that is going to be forcing you to be consistent. So even when you're not motivated to create that content, you're going to want to actually create, because you either don't want to pay that person the money or you don't want the person to call you out. All right, so that's where you're building a structure that allows you to stay consistent. Because the truth is that, at the beginning, especially, you're going to be getting, there are days when your videos are not going to be getting even one view you won't see, all right, and it can be really discouraging. But when you build a structure around the consistency, it helps you to stay put. Okay. Then another thing I also want to mention is the fact that you don't have to start with everything available. You may not have all the tools available. You may not have the equipment, the nice phone, and everything. Just start. If you have a story to tell, if you have something to give out, just start. Now, let me share a story with you that a very popular content creator shared at an event I attended recently. His name is Salem King. So Salem King mentioned that when he started creating content online, he didn't have a good phone, all right? And what he did was he did not allow that to deter him. What he did was he would edit his videos as black and white, all right? And that way it was creative, because nobody knew that it was actually because his videos were not of high quality. They thought it was actually just some sort of creativity, and people actually started copying him. I have a friend right now who loves to make her videos black and white, not because she doesn't have a good phone, but because there is that creativity feel around it. So what I'm saying is that if you don't also have all the tools, instead of waiting, you can actually improvise, all right, but ensure that you are moving. Okay, now another thing I want to talk about is that faceless YouTube channels are blowing up these days. So faceless YouTube channels are a kind of channels on YouTube where people don't show their faces. They mostly use AI avatars to create those content and put it out there, and they still share valuable content and all of that. Now, faceless YouTube channel owners are among one of the most highly paid YouTube content creators right now, and that's because it is different, all right? It's not the usual, and it is highly rewarding. And well, because of you don't have to show your face, using AI and all of that, you don't even need all the expensive gadgets like phone, camera, and all of those things. So if you're interested in starting a faceless YouTube channel, I have a friend who currently has a course around this that would be very helpful for you. So if you're interested in getting that training and starting your faceless YouTube channel journey, you can go to the description of this video and find the link to join that training. Learn all that there is to learn, because trust me, you will need to get the skills before you can actually start, so that you would also get to reduce the length of time that you get to struggle through trying to get things right and all of that. Okay, go to the description and you'll find a link to join the training. All right, so go to the comment section and let me know if this tutorial has been helpful, and if you have picked one or two things that you're going to be using in your journey henceforth. And if you're coming on this channel for the first time, you're just watching me, my name is Mary Adole, and on this channel I share about how to make money online and also a whole lot on sales, marketing, and advertising. If you're yet to subscribe, please do me a favor and click on the subscribe button so that you become a part of our growing family. And on that note, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much for tuning to the end, and I'll see you in the very next one.